WeCP lets you assess Scala developer on their hands-on expertise with Scala. Let's see how it works. After you send a Scala assessment to candidates open the assessment on the browser. On the left side of the window, you are given a problem statement where you have to calculate the average temperature of each city using resilient distributed dataset transformation. You are provided input as a CSV dataset of temperatures for different cities, and you must also filter out temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius. You have to write your code in this util Scala file. On the right side of your window, you can find this file in the source folder. This file contains a partially completed code stub for your reference, which you have to complete for this assessment. You are also given a CSV dataset of temperature in this CSV file. Now we have implemented all the functions and completed our code. Let's run our code. In the terminal, you can see that you have been provided the average temperature for every city you have been given in the dataset. Let's test and submit our code against the provided test cases. As you can see, our code has passed all the provided test cases. Hence, we have finished this Scala assessment.